Hey boos, what's up? I'm finally home, and I want to start cleaning. There is a list of so many to-dos today, but one of them being is start decorating for Christmas. Those of you who've been watching my vlogs for quite some time now know that I usually start decorating the day after Halloween, but this Halloween I was in Los Angeles, then I was in New York, now I'm in Pennsylvania, and I'm ready to clean my house and decorate. So not only am I gonna clean and organize my closet, but I'm decorating my closet for Christmas. This is gonna be the first room that I'm decorating for the holiday. I'm actually gonna decorate room by room to make it super fun and exciting, to make sure I put just as much attention to detail in every specific corner of every single room in this house. But without further ado, I'm gonna stop blabbing. Let's get cleaning. So I need something on the TV in order to start cleaning this closet, because this closet becomes a bit chaotic and I just need something to soothe my soul as I look at the mess around me. In this case, I'm playing Barbie Nutcracker. It's one of my favorite Christmas movies. As you can see, my closet is a huge mess. When I travel a lot, it tends to get like this. So this actually took me an entire day, and I went through drawers, I made a donations pile, I put the luggage away, and I cleaned the rug. It was just a very long and extensive process. As you can see, like, there's hot tools everywhere, bags everywhere, slippers, hairspray, garbage. And let me tell you, it was super motivating knowing that I'm decorating for Christmas as soon as the closet is clean. So after taking the laundry downstairs, I took down the last bag of trash and I got my things together for the Designer Consigner Gab collection. If you guys don't know what this is, Designer Consigner is a consignment shop in Bethlehem that I work with a lot, and I bring in collections of clothing, which is clothing that I've worn or haven't worn, and I consign them out in the shop. And just a heads up, we are still selling Grabby bags and the Beautiful Mess fragrance in the shop. The Beautiful Mess fragrance is available in my description box for online orders. So right now, I brought up all my girly decorations from the laundry room, and I'm going through my office closet for vintage clothes and ladder A bags to decorate my closet for Christmas. I'm choosing vintage clothing that looks very like Nutcracker ballet themed, and I'm also selecting the ladder A bags to put underneath the Christmas tree that I'm bringing upstairs. I'm really excited to start off Gabmas with a Ulike sponsorship. Ulike is a laser hair removal device that literally changed my life in July. I've been using this on my legs for the past few months, and this is just a flashback to my July vlog where I used this device. This is the before and after, and the results left me so impressed that I decided I want to use this laser somewhere else. And I'm going to get into that, but before I get into that, I'm going to tell you a little more about this laser. First of all, this laser hair removal device uses IPL technology, which acts on the melatonin in the hair follicle, and it has permanent effectiveness of hair removal. It's the same technology as laser hair removal devices in a spa, but with a lower price and a high cost performance, and you can do this in the comfort of your own home without a stranger doing this to you. You can use the Ulike laser on your face and lips and on multiple body parts, including the places that make us super embarrassed and bashful. In this vlog, I'm going to be lasering my chin and upper lip. I'm opening up to you guys about a location that I grow hair due to my PCOS and I've struggled with for a very long time. This Ulike kit is equipped with everything you need in order to get this done in your own home. You get the laser and you get a mini razor so you could shave down the area before applying the laser, and you get sunglasses that fold up into this cute little box. This kit makes an amazing Christmas gift, so stay tuned till the end to get a nice code if you guys want to gift someone with the Ulike laser. But for now, I'm going to show you guys what I do to laser off my upper lip and chin. So I use this mini razor first just so I can make sure that my skin and surface is super smooth. This kit is equipped with sunglasses to protect your eyes, so I'm going to put these on before using the laser. The flat light outlet is super easy to clean and it reduces the area of ineffectiveness for hair removal. I can't emphasize enough how painless the Ulike laser is compared to other lasers that I've experienced in my life, and this is because there's an ice cooling painless technology. So this thermal imaging photo provided shows the difference between the Ulike Sapphire freezing point hair removal device and other non-freezing point hair removal devices. The bluer the color, the lower the skin surface temperature. You can see how effective the Ulike laser is compared to others. The last step after using the laser is to apply your lotion of choice. I'm using a moisturizer because this is my face, and as you can see, this is super effective. My face is super smooth, and I'm actually inserting the before and afters. As you can see, there's such a huge difference with my upper lip and chin hair. This is super embarrassing to talk about, but I'm really glad that I could show you. I want to remind you guys that this laser is super safe, and I'm attaching 2 certificate photos to show you. If you guys are interested in getting a Ulike laser for yourself or for others as Christmas gifts, you guys can totally use my code GABULIKE. It's linked down below. You can use my coupon code for a big discount, save up to $100 off during November 11th through November 28th. And if for whatever reason you want to return this item, you have 90 days. This product is super worthwhile and cost effective, and compared to several $1,000s for laser hair removal in offline beauty salons, this is a very, very prominent item in my beauty cabinet. I just remember spending hours in beauty salons using laser hair removal devices that clearly have not been working over the years. So I'm just super happy to have my Ulike laser hair removal device. Laser hair removal in a salon is thousands of dollars, time-consuming appointments, poor privacy, sometimes unsanitary, unfortunately, and super expensive, and you get the same effect as beauty salons, but in the comfort of your own home. So it's pretty safe to say that the IPL laser hair removal device is very worthwhile and cost effective. And if you guys are interested in getting your own, like I said, everything is linked down below. So the theme of my closet for this holiday season is luxury department store during the holidays, and I thought that this really big oversized cake stand shelf would be a perfect way to display my favorite fragrances in my closet. I spy Beautiful Mess on the top, but as you can see, I wanted to display my jewelry in a better, more organized fashion, and where the jewelry used to be displayed in the shelf, I put my new shoes that I got during my Halloween vlog in LA. I then got my vintage glove box from my office, and I put my gloves in my closet because I think it's more fitting than being in my office. Alright guys, so I'm done decorating. I'm going to give you guys a little holiday closet tour now that I'm finished decorating. This room is next to decorate, so let me know in the comments down below if you want another dedicated like decorating for Christmas video for my bedroom. I don't know if you noticed, but like I took some stuff down. I'm going to like redo this. I want to do like a canopy or something. I didn't really like those candle holders. They were like a little scary. They were good for the Gabaween season, but now I want something softer and more angelic, more Pink Wonderland vibes. But anyways, let's get into this holiday closet. Outside the closet door, you see my pink Santa hat from Barbie and Ken. And then you enter, and it looks like this. Here's just like an overview So here we have my lounge area. I really wanted boutique vibes for this room. Usually these curtains are open, but I just wanted to have them shut so that you could get a better view of this room. But the light comes in real nicely. The curtains usually look like this. But this is like my little sitting area. This is from my bedroom. It just reminded me of the closet more, especially since this closet in this house is more vintage than the other one was. The other one was definitely more glam. I thought all these vintage dresses look like the Nutcracker vibes, like from the ballet. Then we have my Christmas tree. It's the Land of Sweets vibes, super floral, like Waltz of the Flowers vibes actually. And I got my Ladurée bags underneath. But as the Christmas season continues and I have more shopping videos and gifting videos, I'm gonna fill under this tree with gifts. I always wanted one of these really big 3-tier cake stands. I feel like it looks super boutique to have jewelry or fragrances up here. Just a little reminder that Beautiful Mess is available. The theme of my fragrance is the Land of Sweets. You get a hint of pistachio, macaroon, cream. You get some fruity notes in there too. It's just a lovely sugary fragrance. If you guys want one for the Christmas season, definitely check it out down below. I have my Marie Antoinette candle. It's literally battery powered, but I just love at nighttime how it flickers, especially with my new lamp over there. This is just such a vibe. I've wanted this for so long in my closet, and I'm so glad that I found this. I actually found this piece of furniture for $69 at the thrift store when I was shopping for Halloween costumes in the area before leaving for LA. Over here is my whimsical little glam station. I love that you could see the tree and the perfume stand through this mirror. I wanted it to be super boudoir, like the curtains and the perfume stand, except I wanted it also to be super Land of Sweets Nutcracker vibes. So I put this Nutcracker right here. This is the Nutcracker I got last year. This Nutcracker is one of my favorites because you got the little ballerinas over here. And then I got this candle from Target, Gingerbread Village. It smells so good in here. And then I have my powder deodorant, I have my poof with like the glitter powder. I have setting spray, another Beautiful Mess fragrance, and we got some Bath & Body Works lotions. And I decided to put my fake cake right here. This was the prop used for the Beautiful Mess ads last year for the Gabmas season. And then we come over here and it's just the same old storage, bags over here, shoes over here, lingerie over there. I reorganized these shelves because I moved my jewelry over to the stand. If you guys didn't see that, I have all the jewelry down here. Makes it so much easier to get ready, let me tell you. But yeah, this is just an overview. This is like my favorite view right here. It's just so cozy with like the lamp on. Wow. I can't believe this was such a mess yesterday. I love it in here. I can't wait to do my bedroom next. Alright guys, well that's it for this fancy vlog. Let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed this type of like decorating video. I want to do a decorating video per room and I want to do a ton of shopping spree videos for the holiday season. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys like that. I also was brainstorming videos that I could incorporate you guys in for the holiday season. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys are excited for Gabmas. I love you guys so much. That's it for today's fancy vlog. Make sure to check out Nikki and I's podcast. We've been uploading every week, every Tuesday. We've definitely been talking about a lot of stuff that I've always wanted to talk about on this channel. So don't forget to check that out. Hit subscribe and I'll see you guys in my next fancy vlog. Love you. Bye.